What's the meaning of chef d'oeuvre? Chef d'oeuvre. Chef d'oeuvre.
Chef d'oeuvre. Chef d'oeuvre. Chef d'oeuvre is a French term that means a masterpiece, a work of outstanding artistry or skill. It refers to a creation that demonstrates the highest level of excellence in a particular field. A chef d'oeuvre can be a painting, sculpture, music composition, literary work, or any other form of artistic expression that exemplifies exceptional craftsmanship. Such works are often regarded as cultural treasures and are highly prized by collectors, critics, and enthusiasts alike. In brief, a chef d'oeuvre is a remarkable achievement that represents the pinnacle of artistic achievement in its respective domain.